In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at value-added services. Here's Deirdre Thomas.
In a world where money often overshadows the human touch, value-added services puts a premium on human development. It is the brainchild of one of Jamaica's experienced and skilled executives, Fabian Brown.
The people are the most valuable asset wherever you are. So it's against that background that I recognize that there was a need to offer development opportunity, training opportunity, opportunities for inspiration, empowerment, and motivation to people in different spaces.
As a human development consultancy firm, Mr. Brown says the secret lies not merely in sourcing a talent for a company, but actively engaging in nurturing their image, attitude, and personality.
We can do from headhunting to general recruitment, finding that talent that will redound to the growth and development of your business.
And the steps to utilize these services are very simple.
You need one restaurant manager. We would go out and recruit as best as we can, and our effort is to be able to seek to find you at least two, so that we would do the process of recruitment and shortlisting and the rest of it and background checks, and then we would have you look for your final cut, at least two, because you need one.
While the company has grown since inception, the CEO says to access working capital and to get to another level is a big challenge.
Getting working capital without the kind of material resources and collateral and those kinds of stuff in today's business, financial, from the institutions, it's very difficult, especially for a service organization, because what you have for the most part as capital is your intellectual capital. You don't have block and steel.
Navigating through these challenges, the company has seen a 22% growth since 2018.
We have seen that our growth has largely been as a result of the impact we have made. We have done a few contracts that would have caused us to be evaluating our strategic planning services for different entities. We are now moving into the Caribbean.
Mr. Brown has some wise words for potential job seekers.
Don't be just so comfortable about the ones or twos that you may have gotten at CSEC or CXC, whichever the exam you may have done, or the degrees you have, or the masters. Most importantly, I believe, or equally importantly, is the impact you would have made in doing whatever you have done. So that's one of the messages or the points that I'd want to be able to put out there. The other big point I'd want to put out there is value-added services. Where is that?
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.